I have come up with another useful software which I have developed with the Raspberry Pi. In this case, what I have done, I have made a minutes of meeting software, wherein the minutes of meeting software, what it will do, it will record the voices of all the people in a meeting, and then at the end of the meeting, it will ask you the name of those person one by one. Then you put the input of the name of the person. Then accordingly, it will prepare minutes of meeting using a speech to text module, and it will produce you the minutes of meeting of that meeting. So this is a very interesting thing which I am going to do. Accordingly, I have done, I have made a small button for this. So this is a toggle button. Like if I have to start the meeting, I'll put like this, it will be on, and once the meeting ends, I'll put like this. So two ends are there. Basically, these two ends will get connected in GPIO, which is this as a button. One will be connected to ground. This one is I have already marked it. This black one will be get connected with the ground, and this side, if you see this black one, this will get connected to the GPIO 17. So it will look something like this when you connect it. Be very careful while connecting it. It's a very interesting software which I have made, and I will teach you starting from scratch how to make minutes of meeting software. It is very useful, wherein you go for a meeting and you note down in your diaries or your tab or anything, and then you find out sometimes you get confused who spoke what. So all you have to do is to just switch on this system with the help of this button, and once you switch on this system, it will record all the voices, and you can, within a fraction of seconds, you will have this in your computer. So first of all, I'll switch on my Raspberry Pi, and for this project, it is a very interesting project which we are going to do. I'll open my VNC connectors. Okay, so my Raspberry Pi is logged in now. Now I'll go to my code, Visual Studio Basics, Visual Studio. Okay, so this is my code mom.py. This is minutes of meeting. So basically what it does, it will record all the voices in a meeting, and what it will do in the end, it will ask you who spoke when, and then when you enter the user input as a person who has spoken what, then it will summarize the things which he has spoken. Or let's say 10 people are there, then it will categorize them to 10 people. It will name them accordingly. Whatever name you will give, it will name them, and what he spoke, that thing will be given in a MOM. So I'll show you very with the demo in this case. So what I'll do, I'll run mom.py. Here we go. Okay, so now see, he's saying that GPIO setup complete your instance. So press button to start or stop recording. So he's waiting for the button to press. Now what I'll do, I'll just press the button. Okay, now you can see that the recording has started. Now whatever I'll say in this, it will start recording it. Now let's say right now I'm the only one who is speaking over here. So I need somebody else also to speak, so that I can show you at least two person whose voices is diarizing. So I'll just use my another mobile phone for that voice. I'll get it. I'll just randomly play any YouTube video.
I decided to make this video to shed some light on actual job market demands for DevOps engineering skill set. So basically, if you ever ask yourself the question, what should I learn if I want to be hired as a DevOps engineer? Or if
So basically right now I am having two voices which I have recorded. So let's say I'll stop the recording first in this case. Now the recording has stopped. You can see that it is transcribing and diarizing with the Google Cloud speech to text, and it has already sent the request to Google Cloud. Now let's wait for the Google Cloud to get it back. It's saying that 400 inline audio exceeds duration limit. Please use a GCS URI. Transcription dilation fail, no speech detected. It should not be happening like this. I'll just check. Or maybe the since I was checking this video since morning, maybe the free limit for the day would have got over, and that's why it is showing. I'm not sure. I'll try once again. So I'll start. So it has recorded the video, and for the timing, I'll stop the recording. So I'll stop it. Let's see. Waiting for the Google Cloud. Transcription result was empty for diarization. failed, no speech detected. Okay, so sometimes what happens, your microphone is not adjusted properly, so you will have to remove this and then again you have to insert, because here this microphone is very important over here. If you don't put it properly, if your pi is not able to recognize the interface device, then problem might happen. So again what I'll do, I'll just start. Okay, recording started. Now it has again recording started, and I'll just, for the time being, I'll stop the recording and I'll see if it is recording or not. So okay, now recording stopped. It is sending to Google Cloud for processing. Let's see. Okay, now it say that detected two unique speaker tag 2 and 3. So what you have to do, you have to enter the name. For example, we right now is saying 2. I don't know why. It should be, ideally it should be 1. So name of the speaker, let's say I write Gaurav. Okay, then you'll ask the name of the speaker 2. Let's say it is Saurav. Okay, then it will ask you the title of the, so title is MOM. Okay, now let's see. Now minutes of meeting saved to so and so. So it has saved over here. It is 840 line. This is 840. Now you can see here. Start recording start. Okay, recording started. I just, for the timing, I'll stop the recording. Okay, it is recognizing me as Gaurav as start recording started. So recording. Basically it has so you can see here that the importance of microphone is of utmost importance, because if your microphone is not correct or correctly installed, it will not read it. Second thing is that it should be of the highest quality. If the microphone is of not the good quality, or if it is not the decent quality, then this particular software will suffer in this case. So again what we'll do, we'll start again this meeting, and this time I'll play the recorded video also. So have recording started. Now this is me who is speaking right now, and simultaneously what I'll do, I'll play video from YouTube. I'll see if it can diarize that. So I have this video with me and I'll play.
I want to simply add DevOps skills to my existing engineering skills to make me more valuable. What are those tools that I need to learn? The best.
So basically I played this video. Now I'll stop the recording over here. So recording stopped. It is sending the request to Google Cloud. Now we'll see if it can diarize two voices here. Basically whatever voices you are sending, it should be able to recognize, and that is why the importance of this thing comes over here. Waiting for the Google Cloud to process image set to 380. Still it is waiting. Okay, so it is saying that you detected two unique speakers. So first one was tag one, you will enter is Gaurav, and second was Tech World YouTube channel. Okay, now the enter is, let's say, DevOps brief. Okay, okay, so it has saved the minutes over here 112. So you go to 112, and then over here you can see Gaurav Tech World YouTube channel. These are DevOps brief, date so and so. Attendees are Gaurav and Tech World YouTube channel. Discussion. Gaurav, have a recording right now. This is me who is speaking right now. Whatever I have spoken, it has already done it. What I'll do, I'll play video from YouTube. I'll see if you can you can die is, see. So if I have to speak clearly, that's why this importance of this microphone comes here, because if it is not able to record your voice clearly, then definitely it is going to suffer. Now Tech World with says me moreover valuable. What are those roles that I need, so and so, and basically I played these videos of it. So now you have understood how it is done. So if there are 10 people, it will ask, it will say that detected 10 unique speaker tags, and then accordingly you tag all 10 speakers in sequence. That you have to remember who has spoken when. That sequencing you need to remember, so that you can put the right name who has spoken. So once do you do that, you will ask, it will ask you the title, and then you can simply, within a matter of fraction of seconds, it has done it. So all this, it has used Google Cloud over here, and it is one of the I would say an important application wherein lots of meetings happen and you don't tend to remember those meetings the minutes. So what you do, you just simply press the button, and then you just write the sequence who spoke when, and then if that is there, then that's it. I think speak diarization will take place, and Google Cloud will easily change the speech to text, and it will give you within a fraction of seconds. So this is the usage of I would say this application which I have developed. Now coming back to coding part is not much. It is very simple, and it is hardly around 329 nine lines of codes. So let me know in comment section if you are interested in knowing about the coding things which I have done, which I have gone through. If you are interested in that, then I'll make a separate video again with this, only emphasizing on the coding parts, because it's a simple Python script which has been written and it is very easy to make, and hardly I have taken this this is a very simple one, I would say. But yes, lot of efforts go, because sometimes your some of your imported device doesn't work, so some of your important module doesn't work in your environment, so lot of things you have to go through. You have to reinstall, or you have to upgrade or update, something of that sort, which you have to do. And trust me, once you start making it, it will be very easy. I have done it in my I'll show you Raspberry Pi. This is running right now, and you can do humongous amount of experiment on this single board computer. It is very easy, and it is very interesting also to do that things. Okay, so right now this is my third project which I have done, and I'm really very happy. It gives me confidence from inside that I'm able to make such kind of things for myself, not to show somebody, but to myself, that I've learned this. And in today's world, there is no dearth of the knowledge, because everything is available on YouTube, everything is available on Google and Chat GPT, everything is available. So you just have to have your own kind of inclination towards those things to do, and if you do so, it is just the sky is the limit. I So that's all for this lecture, guys, and I'll see you in next lecture, next with the next project, I would say. Let me know in comment section if you like to have a demo of all the coding parts, if you want me to explain the coding parts. All these things I can explain you. It's a very simple thing. It's a simple script which I have written. I have also taken the help of ChatGPT many times while I was getting stuck, and trust me, it becomes life becomes easy with the ChatGPT, I would say. So thank you so much for watching me, guys, and I'll see you next video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel.